What's going on, my subscribers? We're back in another Roblox video, guys. Today we're gonna be playing. What's his name again? Yeah, it's the car wash obby, and we're gonna be playing it today. Yeah, it's in the Carter. I don't know why, but as I told you, like in the night, leave it. Anyway, guys, we're gonna be playing this, and let's do this. The manager has gone. Quickly, we need to escape. You'll never escape. Yeah, everyone's saying that, right? Like, this is. Wait, what is this? Car wash thing? Yeah, guys, as you can see, I changed my name. I really don't know why, but I did it for a reason. No, there's no reason. But I just did it for something. For something. Alright, we'll do this. Make sure guys you subscribe right now. Hope you have subscribed. You have a wonderful day, guys. And yeah, we're real close to like 30 subscribers. No. Alright. No. Yep. Alright. I'm not gonna be using shift lock because I don't know why, but I'm wait, this is big one. No joke, this is big one. Dude, this is big one. Collect all for reward. Wait. Dude, this is big one, no joke. Wait, no! Where you go? Where you going? Unlocked. No way. This dude, what? Oh, wait, what am I, girl? Dude, I need to run from that girl, dude. No joke, I need to run. She'll find me, no joke. Wait, no? She did not. Oh my god, dude, what? What is that? And, guys, this is gonna make a while. No. Oh, there it is! Alright. Yeah. Wait. Oh no. We need to do it here. No, wait, what? Does this. Wait. Okay. Alright, so, we need to do this. And we need to do this. And she's gonna eat me like. And she's gotta poop, I think. Looks like we're gonna eat it quickly. Let's get far away. Wait, the strawberry thing on the fat guy obby. If you haven't checked that yet, guys, go check it out. My voice was kind of like, wait, again this, dude. This is kind of freaky right now, cause it's the same things. Wait. No. I'm gonna run for my life, guys. Yep. Forgot. Nope. Oh, yes. Oh, gosh. This is so bad. Alright. Run! Alright. Did it. Alright. Did it. Well, like, this is the last video. Wait, I'm already first? Wait. Smokey. Dude. The poop. Wait, I thought there was a poop of the fat guy, dude. Now there's a poop of the car wash guy? Huh? The poop of the car wash dude. Yeah, I guess so. Alright. Dude, like, this is an easy one. Not joke, this is easy one. This is easy peasy. Yeah, this is jump over the spikes. Yeah, this is easy one. Easy peasy, guys. You see? See, this is so easy peasy. And, yeah. Guys, I changed my mind. It wasn't easy peasy. Yeah, it wasn't. And, guys, look. The nice view. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Subscribe. What are you waiting, guys? What are you waiting for? Are you waiting, like, to... Wait. No. Nope. Nope. Shift lock. Shift lock. Shift lock. No! Wait. 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 Hair? No. No. No, no, no. You don't understand, my girl. If you haven't subscribed, then you don't understand. Alright. Let's go here. Guys, man, give me medicine right now because I'm like sick. No, no, okay. Cause I'm crazy, dude. Alright, there's no. Oh! Wait. Wait, that's it? Only one? Wait, my girl, get out here. Get out here. Is it gonna get the coin? Wait. 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 Oh. 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 Okay, 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 okay. Did this? I think this ends because we're in the road. And it looks like. Dude, it's crazy. This is crazy. Wait. Dude, I do got time. Dude, I don't have time. Wait, wait, wait. Wait, what? Run for your life. Oh my god. Sorry guys, I just closed my microphone and that was bad. Anyway guys, this is it. Like this is it. I just won this, and yeah, I just won this hobby with 19 stages, and that was not too bad, you know. Wait, what? Wait, okay. Anyway guys, thank you for watching, and yeah, I'm gonna see you in the next video. So peace out, guys. No, actually, guys, I'm not gonna peace out. I mean, I'm gonna play this aquarium right now, right now, right now. Let's go. Let's go.